Coach! Good morning! Pa-update nga kung ano mangyari this week, yo!
Okay, good morning mga ka-iPro. So, another Monday. Meron tayong mga lots of event this week actually that's happening. Medyo back na tayo sa regular schedule natin. Mid-January na, so the market should pick up. So, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng mga live trading session. So, unang-una, tomorrow na po yung orientation natin sa mga, for those who are interested in learning forex trading for free sa 3-day bootcamp. Okay? Tomorrow na po yung webinar para kung may mga questions kayo, attend po kayo. Number 2, meron tayong live market analysis mamayang gabi. Pero we might live stream it na lang sa YouTube. Abangan nyo na lang po yung link dito sa Facebook. Okay? Number 3, this Saturday na po, January 18, ang Traders Meetup sa Cabanatuan City sa Nueva Ecija po, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are around the area o willing kayo mag-travel, all sponsored naman po yung meetup na to, meaning wala kayong babayaran na entrance fee and we will have a special guest. Okay? So yun, we will be tackling mga ano ba magiging traders plan for this year. So a lot of reviews, both technical, psychological, fundamental. Sana maka-attend po. By the way, only available lang po ito sa mga official students ni iPro. So meaning either naging premium bootcamper ka or you attended the 3-day bootcamp. Okay, this Saturday po, January 18. It's gonna be part 1 will be in the morning, then part 2 will be after lunch. Also may mga plenty of restaurant naman do, kaya bring your own food. Okay? So, don't forget po dito sa iPro office sa Cabanatuan City. And other than that, ito, sa mga private students po namin, there will be an upgrade sa lesson that's gonna help you grow much more. So, see you tonight after ng live market analysis natin. Okay? So, yun lang po mga ka-iPro. See you sa class. See you tonight sa live trading session. And good luck this week. May all of us be profitable. All right?